Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to create a fixed sidebar on our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website editor, and then from here we'll click on add elements, and then we'll choose menu and anchor, and then we will choose vertical menus. So from here we have different options. For example, I want to add this one, so I'll just click on it, drag and drop it to the screen, and then there we have our sidebar. So from here we will right click on this one, and then we'll click pin to screen, and then we can choose an area that we want the sidebar to be fixed. So for example, I want to choose this side right here, and then you can also change the offset if you want. You can also change the vertical offset if you want as well. So I'm happy with this one, so we can just close this, and whenever we scroll down and scroll up into our website, our sidebar is fixed right here on the side. So if you want to change some designs right here, you can change the actual design from the different choices right here, and then you can also choose some different colors if you want. So if you want to choose the look of your sidebar, you can do so as well. If you want to change the border colors, the width, the corners, and then so on and so forth, you can do so as well if you explore the different features right here. But for this video, we have now learned how to add a fixed sidebar into our Wix website, and thank you for watching.